Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
If Autopilot is active and you need to cancel it immediately, take firm control. Apply steady steering torque to override auto steer. Press the brake pedal firmly to cancel traffic-aware cruise control. On many Tesla models, you can push the drive stalk down once to cancel auto steer. Do not rely on lane markings alone to regain control. Keep both hands ready and steer smoothly. Confirm the HUD indicates Autopilot is off before relaxing your grip. This ensures you maintain full vehicle control at all times. To prevent Autopilot engaging again, disable its features in the vehicle settings. Open controls on the main screen, then select Autopilot. Toggle off auto steer and traffic-aware cruise control to stop automatic steering and speed control. Review speed limit and steering assist subsettings and set them to your preference. Save changes and then perform a screen restart by holding both scroll wheels for 10 seconds. Verify the center display shows Autopilot features as off. This makes the car start in manual mode for your next drive. After disabling and restarting, always confirm Autopilot shows off on the driver display. Check for pending software updates and install them to ensure the car follows your settings. If Autopilot re-enables or behaves unexpectedly, log the time and GPS location. Contact Tesla support through the mobile app and provide those details. If you purchased FSD or Autopilot subscriptions, use your Tesla account to review and manage billing. Keep records of communications and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.